My dear viewers, this video is about the importance of first aid. Why the first aid is important when an incident occurs. I think you will like it. First aid medicine plays a crucial role in providing immediate care and treatment to individuals who have been injured or are suddenly taken ill. Its importance lies in several key aspects. Number one, immediate response. First aid medicine allows for immediate response to injuries or medical emergencies. Prompt administration of first aid can prevent the worsening of conditions and improve the chances of recovery. Number two, prevention of complications. By providing basic medical care at the scene of an injury or medical emergency, first aid medicine can prevent complications and reduce the severity of injuries. This can be critical in situations where professional medical help may be delayed or unavailable. Number three, preservation of life. In cases of severe injuries or medical emergencies such as cardiac arrest, administering first aid promptly can be life saving. Techniques such as cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR) can sustain life until advanced medical help arrives. Number four, reducing pain and suffering. First aid medicine often includes measures to alleviate pain and provide comfort to the injured or ill person. This can significantly reduce suffering and distress during the initial stages of an injury or medical event. Number 5, preventing infection. Proper wound care and hygiene practices taught in first aid courses help reduce the risk of infection at the site of injury. This is crucial for preventing further complications and promoting faster healing. Number 6, promoting recovery. By stabilizing the condition of the injured person and initiating appropriate care, first aid medicine lays the foundation for a smoother recovery process. By early intervention can improve outcomes and shorten the duration of recovery. Number 7, improvement and preparedness. Training individuals in first aid equips them with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively to emergencies. This empowerment fosters a sense of preparedness and confidence in handling unexpected medical situations. Number 8, bridge to professional care. First aid medicine act as a bridge between the occurrence of an injury or medical emergency and the arrival of professional medical help. It buys time and ensures that necessary interventions are initiated until advanced medical assistance becomes available. Summary. Overall, the importance of first aid medicine lies in its ability to provide immediate, effective, and potentially life saving care in emergency situations, thereby mitigating the impact of injuries and medical emergencies. This was all about this video. I think you must have learned something from it. If you like it, please share and subscribe it. Thanks a lot.